the ones that you see behind me is not Barbie.
Ano yun?
It's called Smart Doll. It's a brand, a Japanese brand na they're called ball jointed dolls, BJDs.
Oo.
And the reason why I collect them is because I love photography. So I buy them, I buy their clothes, and then I position them, set up, and take photos. Yun na ako nag-start, and then the collection grew, and now it's like more than 100 pieces.
Ay, ang ganda! I was like, it caught my attention talaga na parang, I thought they were yung pala,
ball jointed dolls. They're jointed. I actually brought one somewhere. Yeah.
Okay. Grabe yung pader mo, Jeff. Makakabili na ng kondo.
Pwede na.
Grabe. Ito, parang poging-pogi.
Ito, the boys are nasa 30,000.
Ang ganda pati yung jeans, totoong jeans.
Kasama yan lahat.
Urban outfitter, oh my God. Grabe.
And they have their own shoes.
Babalik ka talaga sa, oh my God, leather. No.
Yeah.
Maa-addict ka talaga. Bad trip, may labubo pa.
Bakit? Diba? Wala lang.
May labubo.
Nakikiuso din siya. Nakikiuso din.
No. Ang ganda.
And open the bag. Open the bag. Now we're here at the Funko opening.
May Funko.
It's his own Funko.
May sariling Funko yung laro. What's his name?
This one's, it's funny because the creator called this Take On Me. Based on the name of the song by Rick Astley.
Rick Astley.
Tama. Take On Me, yes. Kumanta pa tayo, di ba?
Oo.
Yeah, so...
Ang ganda pati nung ayoko na nga, baka magustuhan ko rin.